Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to install TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back to the tutorial. So now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on basically downloading, setting up, installing, and so forth for TruCUT RDWorks. And yeah, so if you navigate to where you've downloaded your file or copied it, just so you guys know, we are working on version 8. So now you can simply just double click the installation file, which is a .exe. It's going to ask you that this app wants to make changes to your device. I'm just going to say yes. Then it's going to pop us up with this install menu. So now it just has a basic welcome. It tells you some basics about it, and then we can click install. As you can see, it's a rather simple process. You don't need to set up any custom URLs or anything like that. You simply just click install and it will do the rest for you. Then once we're done here, you can see we've got this welcome to use. I'll just zoom in here for you guys. So the options we have here is install USB driver, uninstall USB. We've got language, which I'll be keeping on English. Work type. So as you guys can see, we've got laser work, Corel Draw laser, AutoCAD, Engrave layer, Illustrator. I'm going to keep mine on laser work. And then we've got the origin. Where do you want your origin to be? I'm going to leave mine top left. And the units. So we've got your millimeters and inches. So I'll leave mine millimeters. Then locate, install, patch. And I'm just going to keep all of mine by the default settings, as you guys can see. Then I click install. And then it says installation finished. Click OK. And then just give it some time. And then once you, so we can just click exit there to make sure everything is in order. And then if you had to navigate to your start menu, and you can see we've got the program available right here. You can obviously navigate down as well and find it under your, it shows the actual area where it's installed. So as you guys can see here, open the drop down, and we've got the two icons, one to open it and one to uninstall it. But otherwise, that is it on installing the program. Like I say, it's a rather simple process. But yeah, if we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.